questions and zooming into finding their answer. We take all the experts' answer and turn them into a single concrete answer. All our people ask different questions. So how this world is formed. So this different culture people give different answer. So their answer we call as origin story. So after that we did the mystery of the headless Romans. So from that we know that to solve every mystery we need more than one expert answer. So after that we did CIGT. CIGT is basically complexity, ingredient, Goldilocks, condition and threshold. So complexity means where whatever we see around it, the structure of the thing which is very complex, means how the thing is made. And ingredient means what are the characters or the things is needed to make the structure.
Goldilocks condition means the time or the exact environment to make that complex structure. And threshold means the time or the thing which was made is related to life.
So everything is began with the small dot, and all the energy and matter come together, and the small dot became hotter and hotter because the energy and matter are frictioning together, and they are very dense because all the things is coming in a single dot, and it is becoming heavier, and after that the small dot expand.
Yeah. After it bursted, all the electrons, protons and neutrons were roaming in the atmosphere, the matter, energy, all were roaming in the universe.
The Goldilocks condition for the mini threshold is the density. Because of the density, the plasma universe end, and the right temperature, how hotter is that, and then the complex thing is that the plasma universe, and the mini threshold is that the plasma universe end.
And through plasma universe ended, the electrons, protons and neutrons come together to form an atom. Everything around is made up of atoms. So if atom couldn't form, we were not exist on the earth and not in the universe.
So in big history we learn different skills. So first skill we learn is collective learning. If we have our own thoughts and somebody have different thoughts, so we can take thoughts from them and we can explain ourselves only better, and our class becoming independent because Didi gave only our sheet and we have to read, go through the sheet and annotate it, see it, think it and wonder it, and then we have to present it. Didi is making us independent. So Didi thought that in 10th standard anybody give a sheet, so we can annotate with ourselves only and we can give answer